Hi, another video about AA. We've figured out the issue with lightdm. Basically, it's a dependency that was missing or that's not there. You, the person, me, had to think about adding xorg-server. As simple as that. So, pretty obvious why lightdm wasn't kicking in, because there was no xorg-server behind it. In SDDM, if you install that, it has the dependency of xorg-server, so it gets it in, and that's the difference between lightdm and xorg and SDDM. And yes, that finally it is in the list. It's in the dependencies that the ArcoLinux guys created. So that's solved. Let's go to Super F7. Let's go back to VirtualBox for a while, and it's still BIOS, I believe. I set everything. So, okay, BIOS. Built the ISO in the afternoon. And we boot up with Arch. And the LSDEF now is Leftwm. It's a workaround. I would like to see it in a nicer way, but it's in code, I mean, then, right? It's just where to put what. But it's super. Leftwm can be installed with Alice, and I'll show you that lightdm is kicking, alive and kicking again. Eric made a mistake. Alice def. Well, basically, I forgot something, right? Start sh. Yes. And yes. And off it goes. It's incredible, this unattended way of installing. There are desktops that are just a little bit under 4 minutes. I mean, like 3 minutes 50 or something, and everything is installed. So what? But then it's a pure desktop, and it's not much that I install. I install INC Sublime Text for Yabin. And in this case, this video, Leftwm is not on the Arch repository. And Arco is nowhere near, right? This is pure Arch. AA is intended to be an Arch Linux ISO. And then we use the script from Pico. And that's it. And then it's up to you. And in tiling window managers, it really means it's up to you. In Plasma, you get a complete system, right? Same applies for Leftwm. Beautiful tiling window manager, but it's up to you to make it beautiful. Three minutes 20 seconds the video. Gives more or less an idea of how long these installations take, right? It all depends. How much do you add? You have a great internet. Here we start with AOR. EA is coming in. But this is a bit longer. Why? Yeah, Leftwm needs to be built, and it's based on Rust. Here is Rust, the middle on the screen. Rust. 500 megabytes extracted, installed. But then, yeah, the rest kicks in, right? The crates. We haven't seen any crates yet. There are the crates. While we wait, Rust, crates. The crate is a common container that can be found in red towns and other locations. I don't think it's that particularly. The cargo ecosystem. That sounds me like a code. Is a Let's see if we can find something good. A crate is the output artifact of the compiler. The compilation model centers on artifacts called crates. Each compilation processes a single crate in source form, and if successful produces a single crate in binary form, either an executable or some sort of library. A package is an artifact managed by Cargo, the Rust package manager. Yes, I hope I'll grow to be 150. There is still so much to be learned. If you read this, then again you feel so noob. I say, oh, when will I ever? Maybe Rust weapon stats is the locked crate Rust wiki, or a game called the Rust, something more like me, although games and Eric not compatible. What's lib.rs? 47,750 packages, crates from the crates.io registry. Okay, and those are probably all the names that we'll see here. Compiling to ML, ran core, colored, development, O2CFG, all kind of crates. I'm gonna click one, boom. A different kind of code. I was getting used to Python, and then I see this and I say, what is that? Finally, yeah, saved. The countdown started. Oops. This was I was reading that one. No. Yes, we're back. Boom, lightdm. Show the people that it works again when you got xorg-server. And then super shift enter. That's all that works. Super shift enter, that works too. And super shift enter, that works too. Super shift Q, super shift Q, super shift Q. And all the rest, guys, is up to you. This is Leftwm. Sudo pacman -SYYU. Everything in sudo pacman. Whoa. -S neofetch. And then neofetch. So you know you have got Leftwm, and go visit the code. Where is the code? cd.config. In the Leftwm you'll find the config to ML. And now it's up to you. Cheers.